Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cook with Mum time once again, and I'm super excited because a lot of you asked for some kind of paratha. And the one paratha I haven't cooked, पता है मैंने अभी तक मूली का पराठा नहीं बनाया. Just telling her that I haven't cooked this on my channel, and today we are making Mooli Paratha. It's the Asian radish, and this is so easily available. ये सब जगह मिल जाती है.
अच्छा, यहाँ भी मिलती है.
हाँ हाँ सब जगह मिल जाती है because this is, I'm telling you that this is easily available in Asian supermarkets, and also I have seen it in some normal supermarkets sometimes. So get yourself some mooli and let's get cooking. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you receive a notification and you don't miss out on any delicious recipes. So this is super simple, bas atta and filling and then make it. Let's get cooking. So what are you going to start with?
सबसे पहले इसको पील करेंगे.
Okay. Just peeling the mooli. We call it mooli, so I'm just going to call it mooli. So she's now grating the mooli. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about these parathas. So mooli is a bit sharper, much sharper than radish. Oh my goodness, seriously. So it's much sharper than radish, and it's eaten a lot raw in the salad, and it's delicious with just some salt and pepper. But it's very popular. It's very popular to use it in a paratha as well. I think more Punjabis ही खाते हैं मूली का paratha. Yeah, it's a more popular in Punjabis, like North Indians. So that's the radish all ready and grated. Up next.
अब इसमें हम थोड़ा नमक लगा के.
So she's putting a teaspoon of salt. And just gonna rub it in, है ना? And then छोड़ देंगे. उससे क्या होगा?
पानी निकलेगा इसका, तो जो रोटी बनाने में आराम रहेगा और कड़वापन भी दूर हो जाएगा.
So the reason she's put the salt in is because it releases the liquid from the mooli and also reduces the bitterness of the mooli. So कितनी देर रखे?
10 मिनट.
So we're going to leave it for 10 minutes and see what happens in that 10 minutes. In that meantime, अपन आटा गूंद सकते हैं. We're going to prepare the dough for the paratha. So starting with 300 grams of chapati flour or atta. You can find it in Asian superstores. I'm just going to give us some water. So इसमें कुछ भी नहीं डालना, बस पानी. So basically are we taking 160 ml of water, but like I've said for years now, just add little at a time, and when you have the right consistency of the dough, stop it. But as a guide, I'm telling you it's 160 ml of water. Abhi, I got this parath from India. So the dough is ready and just kneading it for 2 minutes, not long at all. But the key is to cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. So this is going to rest for 10 minutes. Our mooli is going to rest for 10 minutes. So we might have a cup of tea in that 10 minutes and come back. So it's been 15 minutes. Let's see. Oh wow, look at how much liquid is coming out. That's why you put salt in it, so you can get rid of all that extra. So you just squeeze out the liquid and then put it in another clean plate to make the mixture. This is one of those parathas that doesn't need too many ingredients. So obviously we've got the mooli, but it doesn't need too many spices because you want to taste the mooli. If you can't taste the mooli, what's the point of making mooli paratha? So there are not many spices that go in at all. So yeah, once the mooli has been squeezed out, the liquid has been squeezed out, we're gonna prepare the mixture. So that is how much liquid has come out of that, which is why this is a very important step. So she's just adding small chili, green chili, and then some fresh coriander and half a teaspoon half a teaspoon of salt, because we've already added some in the beginning. And then quite important are these lovely carom seeds or ajwain. So half a teaspoon of the carom seeds and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. So she's just told me that there are two ways she makes them. I've got a nice hot pan. You can use a tawa or any other flat pan. I like this to make parathas. So there's one way. कैसे बनता? One dose.
एक पेड़े का, ये एक पेड़े का.
Okay, so you just take a portion of the dough, roll it out around 2 to 3 inches, and then put the filling in the middle, and then just pinch all the sides. And because we've removed all the liquid, this should be easy, है ना? So because the reason of taking the liquid out is so that you can roll them out easily and that they don't get soggy and wet. And look how lovely and nicely this has rolled out. So this goes in a pan for a minute or two on each side before we add the ghee and cook it. So there's a second way to do it, which is taking 2 portions of dough. Acha, I don't use this method on any.
कोई भी तुम बना सकते.
I've never made them like this. So just rolling both of them out and then filling it up and then sealing it. So once it's a bit golden, just taking a teaspoon of ghee. You can keep it vegan by using oil of your choice. The ghee adds more flavor to it, obviously. And then we'll add ghee on this side as well in a minute. And we're going to cook that in the exact same way. And that is looking pretty done. There goes the second one.
Crispy.
So these are ready, and you kind of really need some butter on it. Okay, so looks like we are ready to taste. Oh, so इनका स्वाद ही अपना. हाँ. It just tastes. It got its own taste. मूली का पराठा. It's got, no comparison. Got laden with butter. She's wiping them. But still, God, how much butter do I need?
जब वो क्रंची आता है ना मूली का.
I really hope you'll give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and we'll see you very soon with another new recipe. These are unreal. So good.